Whether you're a small business owner, non-profit, agency, or a creator, radio advertising in the US is more accessible than ever. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps you need to place a radio ad in the US, even if you've never done it before. From finding the right station to getting your ad heard nationwide, we'll break it all down in simple, clear steps. Let's get into it. Step 1. Know your audience. Before you spend $1, ask, who am I trying to reach? Is your audience young or older? Urban professionals, truck drivers, Spanish speakers? Knowing your audience helps you choose the right format, the right station, and even the best time of day to advertise. For example, professionals on their morning commute. Try talk radio between 6 and 10 a.m. Want to target Gen Zs? Look into hip-hop or top 40 music stations. Step 2. Choose the right radio station. Now pick a station that speaks to your audience. Some are national, some are local, some focus on sports, news, gospel, or music. Use tools like Blastily.com to browse stations by city, language, and audience. You'll find over 100 media listings, so you don't have to guess. Step 3. Plan your budget. Here's the thing, radio costs vary widely. Your price depends on the popularity of the station, the time slot you choose, how long your ad is, and how often it plays. Need to see real prices? Visit .blastily.com for up-to-date rates from US radio stations. Step 4. Write your ad script. Now it's time to write your script. Most radio ads are 30 to 60 seconds. Keep it clear, catchy, and focused. End with a strong call to action like call now or visit our website today. Need help writing it? Blastily can assist with professional copywriting too. Step 5. Record your ad. Record your ad using your voice or a pro voiceover artist. Add music or jingles if needed. Just make sure the sound quality meets radio standards. And yes, Blastily can help you sort this out too. Step 6. Book your slot. Now, submit your ad to the radio station and pick your time slots. Peak hours cost more, but they also get you more listeners. Want to skip the emails and back and forth? With Blastily, you can book directly online and manage your campaign stress-free. Step 7. Track your results. Once your ad goes live, track it. Use promo codes, custom landing pages, or just ask new customers where they heard about you. And by the way, if you love audio marketing, consider podcasts too. They're great for trust building, long-form content, and niche audiences. Let's recap. Know your audience, choose the right station, plan your budget, write and record your ad, book the slot, and track your results. Need help? Go to .blastily.com to compare stations, see prices, and get expert support. Have questions? Email hello@blastily.com anytime.